Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to get coupons on Temu, a popular e-commerce platform offering affordable products with exciting discounts. To start, you need to create an account on Temu if you haven't already, and download the Temu app or access the website. First, navigate to the Temu website or open the app, and log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or the account icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can find various options, including the coupons section. To find available coupons, click on the Coupons or Rewards tab. Here, you will see a list of all the coupons you have, including their values, expiration dates, and usage rules. You can also find coupons on the product details page of items you are interested in purchasing. Some products may have a coupon option that you can clip and apply at checkout. Another way to get coupons on Temu is by participating in the platform's daily sign-in rewards. By signing into your account every day, you can earn points and coupons that can be redeemed on your purchases. Additionally, Temu often runs promotional campaigns and giveaways, where you can win coupons and discounts by following the platform's social media accounts or participating in contests. When using coupons on Temu, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully, as some coupons may have specific requirements, such as minimum purchase amounts or exclusions on certain products. You can apply coupons at checkout by clicking on the Apply Coupon button and selecting the coupon you want to use. To maximize your savings, combine coupons with other discounts and promotions offered by Temu. The platform often has sales and clearance events where you can buy products at discounted prices and apply coupons for even deeper discounts. By following these steps and taking advantage of the various coupon opportunities on Temu, you can enjoy significant savings on your purchases and make the most of your shopping experience.